Okay, good evening. This is week 1. We're going to talk about course outline. Then we're going to look into stresses induced by bending. Okay, so on the textbook is chapter 4 on the textbook. Okay, it's chapter 4. So let's talk about the course outline. So there's a mistake that is made by the calendar. Okay, so our lecture is every Tuesdays, and we're going to start at 7 p.m. and we're going to continue at to 10 p.m. Okay, so the calendar or the timetable that you see, it stops at 9. No, it does not. Okay, because this course does have a tutorial. It has a tutorial, so Thursday is where the tutorial start. Okay, and then we are going to have a 15 minutes break. We're just going to take one break. Okay, so we probably will take the break at about 7:45. No, sorry, 8:45. Okay. Or if you feel you had enough, you can ask Eugene, can we take a break? Okay, you can have a break. And then there's a tutorial. Which will be held every Thursday. Okay. And again, this will start at 7. And it's just 1 hour. Okay. It's just 1 hour. Okay. So what else? So from here, lectures or online lecture will be recorded. Okay, so online lecture will be recorded. Okay, and I'll send you the link to access them. Usually will be on YouTube. I trust YouTube better because of bandwidth. Okay, and the notes will also be put on Avenue to Learn. Okay, so if you miss something, okay, you still can get the notes. Okay, so how are we going to assess you? Okay, so assessment. So you have quizzes. Okay, so you will have. Can you all still hear me? Yes or no? Can you all hear me?
Yeah, we can hear
Okay.
you.
Okay. You have your quizzes, or yeah. So you have your quizzes. You have a term test. So down here you only have one term test, and you are going to have a final exam. Okay. The quizzes, you're going to have 10 of them. Okay. One term test, one final exam. Quizzes is worth 30%. Okay. Term test is worth 30%. Final will be worth 40%. Okay. So this is how the grades are distributed. Anyone, any other question or any other requests, please say so. Anyone? Is this okay? Hello? No,
I think it's okay.
it's okay. Yep.
Anyway, we could do the same thing that you did in the last semester, where you rearrange it for the best mark is your highest
Okay,
weight.
so I'll do you guys, no problem. So the higher grade will be 40%. How's that?
That's
Okay.
awesome. Thank you.
Okay. So the higher grade will be 40%. Okay. Anyone, any other questions?
Do we know the dates for the midterm and the exam?
Oh yeah, we know everything, you know. But before I go on, if you are happy with this, I will sign this off, okay? Okay, so we will comply to this. So if I were to I put on avenue to learn, okay, but I'll show you now, okay? 3A spring summer. Okay, so you all should be able to access this. This is available on avenue to learn. Okay, so you will have the textbook is Beer and Johnson. Okay, you have to complete 2P. Okay, it's important that you have not just complete, you have to pass 2P to take this course. Okay, and these are the, so I want you to watch this. Okay, so this is May the 4th. Okay, these are the topics we will go through. Okay, week 2, and I want you to watch this. Okay, May 13 is where the quiz will be. I'll talk to you how this quiz will be run. Okay, then May 18 again you have quiz, on 20th, so on and so forth. So these are where the quiz will be done. Okay, so for example, if you look at quiz number 1 on May 13, all right, on May 13 is good. I'm going to test you on week 1. You understand what I mean? Right? So quiz 1 will be test on week 1 content. Okay, not week 2. Because it's not fair, right? I mean, we just been through a lecture on Tuesday and I test you on Thursday. That's ridiculous. Okay, so that's how it works. So if you look at the term test, one term test, okay, term test will be on June 15. Okay, so write down on your calendar. And then your final exam will be done on week 14, which is August the 3rd. Okay, so keep those schedule open. Okay, if you have any issue, let me know. Okay, so how many of you are not in Canadian time on this list? Anyone? Any one of you are from elsewhere, not Canada time? Anyone? Okay, so there's one that's not working on Canada time. Anyone else? Okay, so Lex, what time is it at your area now?
Right now it's 3 a.m.
Wow! Oh my gosh!
Yeah.
Which part of the world, if you don't mind me asking you?
Yeah, I'm in Dubai right now.
Wow, 3 in the morning. Okay, so I have to consider what to do with you. Okay, and I'll tell you. Okay. So this is what's going to happen. Okay. So anyone, any questions regarding the quizzes first? Anyone? Or the midterm and final exam? Anyone, please? No, I don't hear question. Okay. So if you look at our first quiz, okay, is on May 13. Okay, so let's look at May 13. Okay. So let's talk about the quizzes. Okay. So the quizzes will be uploaded. So okay, let's do at the quiz. So this is for every quiz, not just May 13. Okay, every quizzes. Okay, so the quiz, okay, will be made available, okay, from 7 a.m. until 3 p.m. Okay. Now, anyone have issue with this time frame? Or how many of you are doing co-op now that is not possible to do within that time frame? Anyone? Anyone doing co-op now, or none of you are doing co-op? I don't see any hands raised. Okay. So 7 a.m. to 3, the quiz will be made over. Okay. Once you download the quiz, okay, you have 1 hour to complete the quiz. Okay, you have 1 hour. All right. So once I'm going to set on Avenue to Learn, once you download or once you access the file, you have exactly what? 1 hour to complete the quizzes. As I said, the quizzes are very heavily weighted. It is worth what? 30%. Okay. If you ask me the level of difficulty, don't know yet. Until you start doing it, then you'll see. Anyone have any issue with this? Okay, so from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. Okay, it's made available. Once you open it up, okay, you have 1 hour to complete the quiz. Anyone, any issues with that, please? Anyone, please? Are you okay with that?
I think it's okay. So just to be clear, like we could access it at 2:45, and then it wouldn't be due till 3:45.
Yeah.
Like we can submit it after 3.
Yeah.
Okay.
But once you access it, okay, that's it. Okay, you have exactly 1 hour to get it done. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so you're given 1 hour. So I know some of you are in different time zone. Okay. Lux, are you okay with that time frame?
Yeah, that time frame is good.
Okay. So you're given that time frame to complete everything. Okay. So anything else to tell you guys regarding this? So this week, no quiz. Okay, this week is the first week, for crying out loud. No quiz. May 13 is your first quiz. Okay. Okay, May 13 is your first quiz. So I've run this format last summer before. Students do enjoy it. Okay, in the sense that you work consistently. Okay, if you do well in the quizzes, things are really straightforward. Okay, right. Any other questions before we start our lecture? Anyone, please, or anything that you are not you're not clear. I don't hear anything at all. So you're clear. So I'm going to show you on Avenue to Learn. Okay, I'm going to show you what we have on Avenue.
Eugene.
Yes.
Can we still access the last semester's videos on YouTube? Are those still up?
Those are still up, but it's not going to be the same. So
Okay.
because last term, because the class is so big, okay, I could not complete the syllabus. Okay, and then this time is, I mean, it's going to be the difference is about 30% difference. Okay, so you can access those notes if you want to. So this is the Avenue to Learn. Okay, so as I said, so all the lecture notes will be downloaded here. Recorded lecture can be accessed here. Homework solution, quizzes, quiz marking scheme, turn tests, and exams. Okay, so I will need you guys to, so here over here is where the course outline is. Okay, so you can access your course outline, and then this is week 1, and this is the example that we are going to go through. Okay, so if you all can access your Avenue to Learn, you can see all this stuff available already. Okay, any other questions you all need to ask me? Anyone, please, regarding the logistic or the course outline? Anyone, please? Anyone? Okay, I don't hear anything, so let's start. Okay, so download the figures that I put on week 1. You do need those figures. Okay, right. So the first like half an hour is going to be revision. Now, how many of you can just put up your hand? How many of you have taken 2 P04 last term, or in the fall 2020? Anyone? You can just put up your hand. Okay, I see only 1, 2, 3. And the rest have taken it a while ago, I suppose. Okay, 4. Okay,